This is a quick review of the Philips Air Purifier AC0820. I have an unboxing on the channel if you want to see that. This is just a quick review going over the features and how it works and my experience with the air purifier. So this is quite a basic air purifier and it's only made for small rooms. They have larger versions if you have large rooms that you need to purify. So inside here is a circular filter that you have to change every, I think it's every year, and it pulls the air through the front and through the top. On the back, behind this panel, is the sensor that tells if there's how much stuff's in the air and how much needs to be cleared. It's just got an on switch at the bottom, and it has this one button up the top, and this button has 3 options on it: low, high and automatic. So that's just how the fan speeds up and cleans the air. You can have it always on a low one, low speed, what I believe is for sleeping mode. So if you had it in your bedroom, it makes very minimal sound. And then there's the high speed one to pure the air as quickly as possible. And then there's the automatic one, what's the one I use most of the time. So I'll just turn it on quickly, show you these buttons, options. So you can see that the way you tell is by the light. So this is currently on the automatic mode, and I don't know if you can see the fan spinning inside. And then if you press it again, you can see that's the high mode. It's quite a lot of air. That's gone into the low mode now, sleep mode, and you can see barely can hear it, but you can see it is moving. And then there's the automatic mode, what works with the sensor. So I will just turn that off so it doesn't make too much sound. Now I've had this for about 6 months and it's done a very good job at purifying the living room. Well, it's quite a small living room, like I said. It works really well. You can see it will speed up on the automatic and slow down as needed to clear the air. There's no apps on this one. You know, sometimes with the Dysons and other makes you have apps that you can go into more details and that. This one's quite simple. It's just the 3 buttons, and then there's I think there's this little, I don't know if you can see it, there's a little light there that I think that tells you when the filter needs changing on this. This is also quite a reasonable price model, especially compared to Dysons and ones like that, and it's got a small footprint, what is one of the reasons I wanted this one. So I can sort of pull it in the room, but it doesn't take too much space, and it also has the automatic, what means I don't have to turn it on and off. It just leave it on its automatic setting. So that is a quick review of the Philips Air Purifier. I hope you found that helpful.